Welcome to English Podcast for You. I'm Maria, and I'm so excited to have you here. Whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to improve your skills, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's learn together and make English fun and easy. Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something every English learner confuses at some point. Present perfect simple versus present continuous. They look similar, they sometimes sound similar, but trust me, they are not the same. One talks about your entire life, the other talks about right now. One shows results, the other shows actions in progress. And today we're going to make them so simple, so clear, and so funny that you'll finally say, "Oh, now I understand." So relax, grab your tea or coffee, and let's fix this tense confusion forever. First up, the present continuous is your live camera. It records what is happening right now, at this exact moment. This tense is like your energetic friend who's always doing something right now. The present continuous is formed with the verb to be in the present. That means am, is, or are. These are just the present forms of the verb to be. After that, we add the main verb with ing. So the structure is always am, is, are, plus verb, plus ing. For example, I'm explaining grammar right now. You're watching this video like a hero. She is eating popcorn. So, where do we use the present continuous? We use it for actions that are continuous, actions that are still in progress and not finished yet. For something happening right now, the action is continuous in this exact moment. For example, I'm talking, you're listening. The action is happening right now and it's still going. For something happening around now, the action is continuous during this period, not only this second. For example, I'm learning English these days. I'm not learning it this exact second, but the action is still in progress around this time. For something temporary, the action is continuous for a short time, not forever. For example, I'm staying with my friend this week. It's a temporary, ongoing action. So remember, the present continuous is used for actions that are happening now, happening around now, or temporary actions that are still in progress. Now on to present perfect simple. It's like a time traveler that connects the past with the present. We use it when something happened at an unspecified time before now, or when something started in the past and is still happening. Something you did, but the time doesn't matter. Now let's look at the formula for the present perfect simple. It's very easy. We use have or has, and then we add the past participle of the verb. So the structure is have or has plus past participle. We use have with I, you, we, and they. And we use has with he, she, and it. The important part is the past participle, which is usually the third form of the verb, like eaten, seen, done, gone, written, etc. So whenever you want to make the present perfect simple, just remember, have or has plus the third form of the verb. For example, I have visited London. But I don't say when. The important part is that it's done. She has finished her homework. Again, we don't say the exact time. What matters is the result. They have seen that movie. We focus on the experience, not when it happened. So, where do we use the present perfect simple? Let's break it down into 4 main situations. First, life experiences. We use the present perfect to talk about things we have done in our life without saying exactly when. For example, I have visited London. We don't say when. The important part is the experience itself. Other examples, she has tried sushi. They have never seen snow. It's perfect for sharing experiences and things you have done at least once in your life. Second, something that started in the past and continues now. We also use the present perfect to talk about actions or situations that began in the past and are still true in the present. For example, I have lived in this city for 5 years. This means I started living here 5 years ago and I still live here now. Other examples, she has worked at that company since 2018. We have known each other for a long time. Third, results of past actions. Another use is to talk about past actions that have an effect or result now. For example, I have finished my homework. The homework is done now. That's the result. Other examples, he has broken his phone, so now it doesn't work. We have cleaned the kitchen. It's clean now. Fourth, recently completed actions. We can also use the present perfect for action that happened very recently, often with words like just, already, yet. For example, she has just arrived. I have already eaten. Have you finished your project yet? The action is done, but it connects directly to the present moment. So remember, the present perfect simple is all about life experiences, actions that continue to the present, results that matter now, and things recently done. It's not about when exactly it happened. It's about the action itself and how it matters now. Now let's compare the tenses in the easiest way possible. Present continuous and present perfect simple. Example, I'm cooking. I'm in the kitchen right now. The action is happening at this exact moment. It's active and continuous. This tense is all about the action continuing. It's still happening. For present perfect simple, example, I have cooked. The cooking is finished. The food is ready now. The result is what matters. Here we don't focus on the action happening. We focus on the effect it has now. You see the difference? Present continuous. We use it when the action is in progress, not finished, and happening right at this moment or around this time. Present perfect simple. We use it when the action is complete, but the result is important in the present. So listen now to a small story. And after you finish, write me in the comments 2 present continuous sentences and 2 present perfect simple sentences from the story. Ready? Let's go. So listen. I'm sitting in my living room recording this video. My husband is walking around asking, "What are you doing now?" I'm trying to ignore him politely. But guess what? He has already asked me this question 3 times today. He has forgotten that I'm making videos every Monday. He has lost track of time. I think he needs coffee. Meanwhile, my cat is running around the house like she's training for the Olympics. She has broken 2 cups this week. I'm not surprised anymore. All right, my beautiful people. That's everything for today's lesson. Today you learned the difference between the present continuous and the present perfect simple in a clear and easy way. I hope you now feel more confident using these tenses when you speak and write in English. Remember, one tense is for actions happening right now, and the other is for actions that are finished but still important today. Once you understand this, everything becomes much easier. Before you go, I want you to practice, because practice is the secret to improving your English quickly. So make sure to write in the comments 2 present continuous sentences and 2 present perfect simple sentences. I will check them, and I love seeing your progress. And listen, today, instead of a PDF, I prepared something even better for you. A small homework quiz to test your understanding. It's short, fun, and it will help you see if you really understood the difference between the 2 tenses. You'll find the quiz in the description, so don't forget to take it. Thank you so much for learning with me today. You're doing an amazing job, and I'm really proud of you. Keep going, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. You can speak English confidently. I love you all. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.